In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view expenses in Freshbooks. If you're using Freshbooks to manage your business finances, keeping track of your expenses is both simple and essential for effective financial management. Let's go through the process step by step so that you can become comfortable navigating this useful feature. First, you'll want to start by opening up your Freshbooks account. Once you're logged in, look to the left-hand menu. This menu serves as your main navigation hub where you can access various features and sections of Freshbooks. From here, you want to locate and click on the section labeled Expenses. This section is dedicated solely to your financial outgoings, giving you a comprehensive overview. After clicking on Expenses, you'll immediately see a list of all the recorded expenses. This list is quite handy as it provides you with a detailed breakdown of where your money is going. Each entry typically includes important information such as the date, vendor, amount, and any notes you might have added for future reference. It's an excellent tool for understanding your spending patterns, which can help you make informed financial decisions. Having all your expenses in one place makes it easy to analyze and review them, ensuring you don't miss reporting any expenditure for tax purposes. Freshbooks also offers the convenience of sorting and filtering through these expenses, allowing you to tailor the view according to specific timeframes, categories, or even projects. This feature can considerably speed up your workflow, especially when you need to track particular expenses or prepare reports. Now, let's talk about another useful feature within the Expenses section, the Uploads subsection. By heading over to the Uploads area, you can view all the receipts you've scanned. These are receipts that you've uploaded but haven't yet converted into listed expenses on your main screen. This is particularly useful if you're in the habit of digitizing your receipts as soon as you get them. It serves as a temporary holding space, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks before you categorize and enter them as expenses. So, whether you're managing expenses related to office supplies, travel, or client dinners, keeping a habit of regularly updating and reviewing the expenses and uploads sections can be incredibly beneficial. It not only keeps your books accurate, but also helps mitigate any future financial discrepancies. By following these steps, you'll have a clear and organized view of your business expenses, making financial management more straightforward and much less time-consuming. Remember, regular maintenance of your financial records ensures a smooth operation and sets the stage for successful financial planning. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes navigating Freshbooks a little bit easier